your girl Gifty. Please subscribe to Enapa TV on YouTube, comment, share, like our videos on YouTube, and don't forget to tell a friend to like our videos on YouTube. Enapa TV is all about sports. Thank you.
Amema House of Folk fans nyina akwaba na minchi obibia. Ene eye yawada the Continental Club Masters House of Folk. It was St. Thomas Aquinas House Egusua Omusiesi omoye training and pay ahead of your match yene RTU ebweni ewo Ghana Premier League match day 17. Obekaya kwesiara no ewo Accra Sports Stadium. The Continental Club Masters House of Folk etnefie ene Accra Great Olympics. At the end of the 90 minutes no. House and she be Emma Olympics she has to folk akabakwa house intimiante nti Emma fans no ebufu kakra ana bi kra eka se coach ya fene Samuel Boadu Kofi Yesu perifo empamo no ombone na situ because hwe mema emrantie no hwe performance kwesiara ne dia na ewo form pa na be bisa nti so mo ko train kra na den ena coach no ekokọ kire omo nti wo ye House of Folk fan kwesiada match edi yenim no yene RTU no eye big game eno ene yedi siesie ye ho ansana on the 20th no Ghana Premier League obeka first leg no outstanding match yene Krobia Metema Kumasi Asante Kotoko ebueni no eno so abaso on the 20th and a house ene Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko nti we House of Folk fan house ene RTU no a small game. It's already unpayable. A support to House of Folk team, no. Because Ghana Premier League, you know, a 36 matches and a able. So see, I have 16 matches, but I can't 20. I say able. In the Ocean House of Folk, or more than 7th, or Ghana Premier League, you know, Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko community dinkain. Or more 33 points, and a house a 23. The Kotoko actually House of Folk more. 10 points and a Krobia Metema Kumasi Asante Kotoko edi actually House of Folk mo into we House of Folk fan fan paibo a support to team no ahead of RTU game no oje RTU omo last 5 games o ma bona omo dinkuku miensa o ma draw back when o ma winning back House so no last 5 games no House are winning mienu and a House e dinkuku miensa House nkuku no omo die ni nyina away games. Nto hwe House of Folk team na omukọ aware eniema nhyeda enkoyie emfa the Continental Club Masters House of Folk bobo eko no fans ni bi efre say coach ye fene Samuel Boadu this season no as a House enya penalty last season be kaya na House of Folk enya penalties pa ye bo game na Patrick Razak ena na ye adwuma ni nyina na ye twa no na House enya penalty but this season no Patrick Razak ne modemono as a form nti onye bi emmo nti we House of Folk fan pie boy support to team no ebi eka say Sulley Muntari House of Folk away games no on Kobe ena House of Folk omo PR Kwame Opariado say no kure bi ani sansem ni mo say amanfo eka say Sulley Muntari away games no on Kobe on Mobi no Opariado say no Caribbean ni sansem ni mo into ye House of Folk fan paibo a support to team no na bomb paye say House gamer omne RTU area kwa akobweni e Ghana Premier League no eniama bekoye area ma the Continental Club Masters House of Folk ama bibibia nso akoye nti kwesiada ebe House ene RTU ene de ebweni e Ghana Premier League na ne na wotwe so no House ene Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko enso area abweni nti ene House e training it was St. Thomas Aquinas. Ti we House of Folk fan paibo a support to team no. Let's support to team no ye. House any RTU no a big game. A koso e was Tamale. House team no. Any RTU any dear Bueni. House 5 games on my bono. Ye din kuku miensa. Ena yarene mieno. Nkuku na ye dini nyina no. Mieno away at a bako fie against Olympics no nto hwe House of Folk ye kwa away eniema nhyeda nkoye emfa ma ye team no ya kwa away mmienu ne nyinaa yɛdi nkukuo. Yɛwɔ 36 matches a yɛbɔ. Afei na yɛabɔ 16. Yɛwɔ a lot of games a ɛdi anim a ɛsɛ yɛbɔ. 20 games ɛwɔ yɛnim. Last season the same thing in this year. But yɛba bɛgye league no nti ka kyerɛ wo nua na wo nua nka nkyerɛ nua na mo subscribe Enapa TV.